Ready? You munching? What are you munching on? Yogi, the crowd's blurry as hell. Can I record you being shit out of him? Can I record it? No? Damn it. E for effort, I guess.
Or a lot of times you might have to just hold the drag button and you can do this, but you won't have to.
You know, I went to that squishy and showed up her ass. How does that sound? Huh? As I thought.
Me?
Asshole.
Me?
No, the person behind you.
Wait, Nikki.
What do you want?
And then he like says a curse word or something. Imagine everyone was going down the street and there's a game, and then he gets shot multiple times.
Oh, cop.
Guess what? I have stubs in my toes in weeks. I says with Joyce, and then I got shot 79 times.
It's like a go pass again. What did you say? Where's your white boy? I'm a cop. Gang. Is it gang signs? I'm sorry. It's a tick. It's a tick. I'm sorry. Gang. It's a tick. I'm sorry. Get beat you. I can't stop. I'm sorry.
Okay, and see how this is green? We might not.
I say it looks like something's wrong.
Yeah, he's shit. And he has a shitty grin on his face. Yeah.
I asked what a certain movie was on.
You know how I feel.
You've been just pipping and popping and beep, like
Yeah. He doesn't know how.
What do you want to do? Go outside?
I got her. Want me to get her? Somebody come get her. Huh?
Did you get a picture or video or whatever?
I'm still recording.
Oh, you're recording my big tab butt?
What ass? What ass? I curse on my videos. They're not meant for kids.
I know, but you're going to buy and bring him, so I thought maybe if you're going to bring him to show everybody tomorrow video.
They know I curse.
I'll try to do it.
I'm a skipper certain video. I'm a skipper certain part of it. I'm a skipper certain part of it. No, because I said kind of something like dark and offensive, and be like frowns upon it because they're this is my deck. This is my deck. Look how pretty it is. Ooh. Yeah, this goes on in our house. Lots of screaming. Here, let me do it. I'm kidding. Yeah, she's not normal.
Goober, what are you doing, Goobs?
Gooby. Gooby. What are you doing?
Enjoying the fresh air. It's nice out tonight, isn't it?
What are you doing, huh?
We'll check on
What are you doing?
Mm-hmm.
Come and say hi. Say hi to my camera. Say hi to the camera.
Courtney, say hi, Christian. Say hi,
I'm
Christian's
gonna show my buddies how adorable you are.
Say hi, Christian's friend.
Show my buddies how cute you are. No, it's not what a belly rubs I want.
Of course she does.
Yeah. Spoiled little husky, right? I'm gonna close the door. Want me to close the door so. Okay. Trying not to record Mom's ugly mug, cause you know. Hey. Trying to be family friendly here. You're not helping.
Yes.
She's like, why'd you stop? She's like, why'd you stop?
Are you going to hang out outside a little bit or no?
Look at her. No thought in that mind. No brain, just floof, right? What you doing? You look dead right now. Yo, what's the face, bro? You're like, bro. Big Mouse over here trying to. You. Ooh. So what's it like being a dog, Gwen? You're cute. What are you doing? You were not. Oh, she's after a beer now. Probably Gwen's the alcoholic. Oh, we got another alcoholic in the house. What? You know I'm making a joke, right? You know I'm kidding, right? So I'm in the mood here. Trying to be funny. Can I see me? What the hell did I do? I'm sorry. Bless you. Oh, is my allergic to me? Oh, now walk away like a typical woman always does. Oh, I'm sorry.
Alright, I gotta get this jackass. What is she doing? Is she peeing or no?
I don't know. I could barely see her. No, she's wandering around, horsing around. She's horsing around. Not horsing around, but. I can barely see you, dog. The hell you doing, bruh? Alright, I'm gonna leave you out here, alright?